Let's learn vehicles A to Z. Come along and sing with me. Cars and trucks and things that go from A to Z. Let's start the show. A is for ambulance. Ambulance. Woo woo woo. B is for bus. Beep 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 bus. Beep beep coming through. C is for car. C car. Zooming fast and bright. D is for dump truck. D dump truck. Lifting dirt with might. E is for excavator. E excavator. Digging in the ground. F is for fire truck. F fire truck. Sirens all around. G is for garbage truck. G garbage truck. Collecting every day. H is for helicopter. H helicopter. Wearing on its way. I is for ice cream truck. Ice cream truck.
Ring ding ding.
J is for Jeep. J Jeep. Ready for anything. K is for kayak. K kayak. Gliding on the stream. L is for loader. L a loader. Working as a team. M is for motorcycle. M motorcycle.
Vroom vroom vroom.
N is for narrow boat. N narrow boat. Floating through the lagoon. O is for off-road truck. O off-road truck. Tough and strong. P is for police car. P police car. Keeping us safe all day long.
Q is for quad bike. Q quad bike. Zooming on the trail. R is for rocket. R rocket. Up where stars prevail.
S is for submarine. S submarine. Diving deep below. T is for tractor. T tractor. Helping crops to grow. U is for unicycle. Unicycle. Balancing with care. V is for van. V van. Traveling everywhere. W is for water taxi. W water taxi. Splashing on the sea. X is for x-ray truck. X-ray truck. Helping safely, carefully. Y is for yacht. Y yacht. Sailing smooth and free. Z is for Zamboni. Z Zamboni. Cleaning ice so easily.
Great job, friends. A to Z. We learned the vehicles happily.
Cars and trucks and things that go. Let's sing again. Ready, go.